right now, traffic, and as we take a look at our traffic conditions around Escambia and Santa Rosa counties once again this morning, we are still dealing with a crash at the intersection of Highway 29 and Hope Drive in Pensacola. That's just north of I-10. Looks like for the most part that is moving off to the side, but again, you may still see some emergency vehicles if you are traveling in that area. Other than that, we are looking pretty good on most of the other major roadways. We did have a crash on I-10 westbound between Scenic Highway and Davis Highway, but it looks like that has been cleared. I'm Stacy Knowles, right now traffic.
Progressive's Auto Quote Explorer lets you easily compare direct rates from different insurance companies, so you can be confident you're getting the right one, even if it's not with Progressive. Way more confident than you were when you tried online gaming. Who knew 12-year-old boys could be so mean? Where did they learn to swear like that? 2 hours of losing to these underage trash talkers, and you're starting to question if maybe you really should stick to pickleball and other boomer stuff. So use Progressive's Auto Quote Explorer and be confident you're getting insurance that's right for you. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company. It's not available in all states or situations. Prices vary based on how you buy.